One thing about it, two things for sure. Baby girl is blind as a bat, y'all.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing.
Greetings, gems and gents, and welcome back to another video with Glameres Gems. My name is Ebony, so if you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, that way you never miss a new upload from me. And of course, if you are a returning gem or a gent, welcome back. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and jump into this eyeglass haul and review with Fytoo. That's how I'm gonna pronounce the company. So it's Fytoo, and I just want to say it's for you too, because it is for you too. If y'all can't see, if y'all are blind as a bat like me, y'all need to get you these really cute, trendy eyeglass wear. Back as a kid, I was 10 years old when I started wearing glasses, and you know, it's kind of humiliating because I couldn't see a thing. And I remember my dad had came into my class. I was in the 5th grade and he brought me my glasses, and I was so relieved, but the frames were not it at all. It was giving like, girl. And nobody wanted to look like a nerd, but you had to see. So of course, you know, there's so many different eyeglasses and different frames that you can go and pick from now that are not only on trend, but they match and frame your face. So I picked out some eyeglass wear that I normally wouldn't wear, just to give you a variety of what this company has to offer. And this is the perfect time to purchase from this company if you are in need of some really cute eyeglass wear, because their anniversary sale starts August 31st all the way until September 27th. And when I tell y'all they are having a sale, oh, they are having a sale. During their anniversary promotion, they have frames that are as low as 2 cents. Where did I do that at? Of course, any discount codes and links to all of the items will be linked in the description box down below, so definitely check that out. It's another promotion where you can get a chance to win a refund on a full purchase order during the anniversary sale, in addition to their blue light glasses or blue light lenses having 15% off. So you do not want to miss out on this sale. But yeah, I already know what y'all are here for, so we're gonna go ahead and get into the unboxing. It's giving Tiffany blue, okay? And we all love Tiffany blue. So it came really nicely packaged. I was very pleased with everything that they provided to me. And they sent me 6 pairs, and it has the really nice dust bag, or case rather. And I mean, the quality is really nice. It has their logo on it. And then of course, when you take the glasses out, it just has it inside of a plastic bag there. Before I start showing y'all and the glasses that they sent to me, I want to show you everything that came in there. So yeah, you have glasses here. One thing that I loved about the website is they have the feature where you can try the glasses on before you wear them. So like if you're looking a little rough that day, like how I was, you could use a really nice photo of yourself and try on the glasses on your photo. That way you know how you're gonna look when you all done up. Or you could just be your authentic self and just try them on the website. They gave me a $10 off coupon, and this is on orders above $75. So I really like that. They also provided me with a measuring ruler. So on the back, you can kind of see if your eyes are kind of too far apart or too close together, and you can kind of use this as a reference when purchasing on the site. A little care card here where you can know how to care for it. And then they also gave me this package here with the duster for your glasses, just to keep them clean, or cleaner rather. And then it has this as well. And I have no idea what this is. I'm assuming if you're needing to, yeah, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but this little tool, I'll put it on the screen because I have no idea what it's used for right now. Frame here, I believe it's called Salome. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it on, and I don't know if you could tell how they look with the glare, but it has like the transparent on the bottom with the black trimming at the top, and this transparency here, it is of like a pink hue. So I will have a video of me just trying them on side by side so you can see it a little bit better. But I love these. These give me like I'm going to work, I'm that girl, like I'm really handling my business, you know, and stay out of my business because I'm a busy girl. So that's what these are giving me right now, and I just absolutely love them. I think they're perfect for just about any kind of business outfit. Like, it just gives me business attire. But I mean, you can wear them as everyday glasses, and the quality and structure of these is really nice. So I'm super pleased with these. Very happy to have a pair like this in my collection. And I'm not sure if you can see the pink hue on there or not. Hopefully my makeup didn't smudge it, but yeah, that's how they look. So an absolutely gorgeous pair, and I'm super in love with these, and I believe these are called Salome or Shalom. I'll have the name on the screen for you. Another thing that I neglected to mention, at the bottom of each dust bag here, they also come with individual eyeglass cleaners as well. So although they did send me the eyeglass cleaner that, you know, it's just their branded one, it does also come with the eyeglass cleaners for each pair that you buy. These are called Milo. So I'm gonna go ahead and try on Milo for y'all. And I just like them like so much. It's just different from what I'm used to. Like, it's giving me like I'm headed to the library, or I'm in law school right now and I just have so much studying to do, but I'm still that girl. And these are a little smudgy. Probably I got my fingerprints on it. Yeah, y'all let me know your thoughts on these because I absolutely love them. And I'm so sorry if y'all hear background noise in the back. I'm trying to be professional, but the little people of the house, they like to take over. If you've been following my channel for a while, or if you just know me in real life, you know my favorite color is pink. So I wasn't gonna just not get a pink pair of eyeglasses. And these are gorgeous pink, very subtle though. So it's kind of like a transparent pink. So it can still be worn with just about anything. These are called Corey, and I absolutely love them. It's just so nice. Like, I could wear these every day. I love how the frame is really large on my face, and it just really looks nice. My makeup is not the best today, but I just absolutely love them. I think that they're very professional, yet they could be, you know, out and about for brunch, you know, doing what you do. But I really like these so much, and the fact that they're pink, it definitely just, you know, gives it that added boost for me because that's just my color. The name of these eyeglasses here is called Ball. This is how they look. So I really like them. It's a traditional classic pair. So it has the black trimming at the top, and then it has like a little bit of silver hardware there. And yeah, these are how they look on me. And when you put these ones on, it has the blue light to them. So it has like that really nice hue. It's almost like a yellow tone hue to it. So I really do like it. And it could just look that way because I'm behind my ring light right now, like a yellowish hue, but I like how these look. It's very classy. Like, I just think these are perfect to wear every day. And it really frames my eyes and my face really nicely because, again, it's got the it's got like the tiny silver trimming at the bottom, but then the black, it just kind of really sets it off and makes them look so nice. So this next frame, again, is not a pair that I would normally go for personally for my style, but I tried them on and I was like, these are so nice, and I love the color of them as well. Are like oversized round eyeglasses, so I really thought that these were definitely different from what I would go to. What I love is that at the ends of the frame here, it has like a black detail there, so I really think that'll blend nicely with your hair. But yeah, these are the Marcus oversized round glasses, so really love these so much. Like, I just feel like I can wear these every day, and they're just so cute, so classy. You can really play on different colors. Like, in my reel, I paired this with a yellow dress because I just felt like yellow would make them pop. But I really love these so much. Like, I could see myself wearing my hair up in a bun with them and just going many different places in these glasses. So I just love them, and again, it's outside of my comfort zone, but I'm so glad I kind of trusted myself on this. Finally, I have this really clear, transparent brown glasses, and these are like more of a smaller, rounder ones. It's definitely giving Harry Potter for sure. But these are called Salome, and this was actually my least favorite pair because when I tried them on the website, it looked really nice on, but because the frame is like the frame itself is a little bit smaller, I just didn't think it looked the best on me. Like, I don't know, like maybe I need to go back to the library with these ones. I mean, they don't look bad, but it's just, I don't know, I just feel like they're not as flattering on me as the other ones was. And excuse my eyelashes, they are just lashing today apparently. But yeah, these are Salome, and you know, I solemnly swear. Y'all know I'm silly. But either way, no, not my favorite, but they're still a really nice frame. I just don't feel like they are as flattering on me per se. Now, when I start losing weight and maybe my face slims out a little bit more, it might look a little bit better. But on the site, they looked really good on. Why are my lashes doing this, y'all? Yeah, but on the site, they looked really nice on, and I was like, I'll try them out. You know, I really fell in love with the color of them because they're brown, but it's like a transparent brown. So it's like still fitting for any outfit. But when I got them, I was just like, I don't know. But either way, another reason why I'm so happy to have all of these glasses is because I really need to do a better job. Y'all, if you watch my vlogs, I'm not sure if you do. Let me take these off because I'm just not a fan. But if y'all watch my vlogs, I wear contacts. I have an astigmatism in both eyes. My poor vision came from my childhood, but when I became pregnant with my son and then of course with my daughter, I developed an astigmatism in both eyes. So I'm not sure if I can have like a corrective surgery for it, maybe like the LASIK or anything like that. I'm just kind of afraid of doing like surgeries. I mean, I don't know why. Like, I like to entertain the idea of like, okay, I'll go ahead and do it, but then I know I'm gonna back out at the last minute. So I like the fact that I have multiple frames that I can wear and just really get them filled, because I wear contacts all day. I work in front of a computer all day, and it's just very strenuous on my eyes, and I just don't want to put that much pressure on my eyes. So I feel like because I work from home, it's kind of better to wear glasses throughout the day when I'm just at home. And then if I'm recording a YouTube video or if I'm out and about with friends, then I can just put on, you know, my contacts. Because how it gets with me is I'll have these on, I'll fall asleep, and I sleep in them, and it's just not healthy for my eyes, and it's really, you know, making my eyes weaker. So I have to do a better job. But I have so many glasses that I can choose from where I don't even have to be in that predicament. But because I want to get like the blue light in there, make sure that, you know, the frame, well, the glasses or the lenses are scratch resistant, you know, it's cost a coin or two, but I need to go ahead and invest in it and just go ahead and get it done, because wearing my contacts, I love them, but I feel like I have them in so much and it's just too strenuous on the eye. So either way, this wraps up my haul and review with for Fytoo. I think that they are a really great, upstanding eyeglass company. Just the quality, the presentation, the extra goodies that they provided. I think that you're not only going to be satisfied with your purchase, but these are going to be durable. They're going to last you a really long time. I just want to thank Fytoo for sponsoring today's video. Y'all don't forget to miss out on their anniversary sale. Again, it's running from August 31st through September 27th. So if you've been considering getting some eyewear glasses that are trendy and that are gonna look really cute, I would definitely say check them out and see what all they have. And again, I will have all of the links, everything down below. And if you watched to the end of this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I always enjoy doing these kinds of videos for you, gems. And until next time, I will see you, gems and gents, in the next video. Bye.
Yeah.